Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a shared mailbox to Outlook. So, as you can see, I'm using the 365 version of an Outlook. And what you want to do to add a shared mailbox to your account, to your Outlook, you want to go to the file, then go to the account settings, which is right here, this icon. Then again, go to the account settings. Then this window should be displayed to you. Then click email if you have, for example, something else right here. And then what you want to do is to click change. Now you want to go to the more settings and then go to advanced. As you can see, you have these mailboxes. You want to click add. And now you want to type here the name of your mailbox, your shared mailbox name or email address of shared mailbox. So for example, let's say shared mailbox. You want to click then OK. As you can see, the name cannot be resolved because I didn't share this mailbox. And it would work for me, but for example, your shared mailbox is called shared mailbox and you want to click type it right here, then click OK, and then what you're gonna do is to click apply. After that, you want to reset your Outlook just by closing the Outlook and then open it again. And after that, you should have this shared mailbox in this section right here. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!